This is Editing Leslie coming to you straight from my crusty environment. Is that a thing? I'm just coming to you straight looking crusty. I just realized I never made an intro to this video. So, in today's video, we are going to be sublimating on a Five Below pillow. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and comment down below. Let me know that you're brand new. If you ever wonder about the things I use in my videos, such as my butcher paper and heat tape and all of that, it's always linked down in the description. And let's jump into the video. So I took some images off of Google and then I just erased the background. Some of them it was harder than others. I couldn't use the magic tool to kind of erase the background, so I just used the eraser tool to erase as closely as I could to the image. And then I just arranged them. I kind of just played around to see how I wanted it all to fit, and I just made them bigger, moved them around. And I was originally going to use Pocahontas as well, but I ended up not having room for her, so I just took her off. And then I just grouped the images together, enlarged them to fit the 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and exported as a PNG. Okay, so here's our pillow from Five Below. We gotta take off the price. This is the Luxe Collection Luxe Textured Fur Pillow. Take off the price tag. So it just looks like this. They had different colors. I picked the cream colored one. So now we gotta find our pressure. This thing is huge. So we don't want to squish it, but we do want it to get a good amount of pressure. So we might have to just play around. This might have been something that would be better with the Cricut Easy Press. I wonder. I think we might have to use the Cricut Easy Press for this one. For this project, you're going to need some butcher paper. You're going to need your Five Below pillow or whatever pillow. You're going to need lint roller, very important. You need some heat gloves, some heat tape, of course, and I'm going to be using the Cricut Easy Press. This is the Cricut Easy Press 2. Okay, I'm going to start off by prepping the pillow. We're going to take our lint roller, and you want to find which way. So you don't want to go against the grain or the flow of it. So it's going to be this way. So you want to lint roll that way. You want to make sure you get all the lint, because if not, it's going to be blue. The lint will turn blue with sublimation. So I'm not going to pre-press this because I simply don't have a lot of space. This is all I'm working with. This is the design I'm going to be using. I just created this random design with all the princesses, and I'm going to put it in the middle of it. Take my heat tape and we're just going to tape it. I'm just going to put one tape on each side of it. I might do the corners. I might have to press more than once because my heat press is not wide enough. But my heat press, my real heat press, was not going to be able to press this. I forgot how fast the heat press heats up. Okay, So we're going to take our butcher paper, now that our heat press is ready. We take our butcher paper and we're going to take our heat press. Okay, we're going to see. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. We're going to do it for 60 seconds, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Now we're going to lift it up and we're going to shift it to the next side. Ooh, hot. Do you guys tend to use the easy press when you do sublimation, or do you have an actual heat press? What do you guys use? Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know. Do you have a Cricut Easy Press Mini? Do you have a fancier studio heat press? What do you guys use to do your sublimation? Or do you guys get order transfer sheets, sublimation transfer sheets, because you don't have a printer? So I'm lifting it up just so I can see if we missed one. I don't think we did. There's a little crease there. Just want to make sure. Okay. So we're going to take our heat gloves and we're just going to check to see if it's sublimated. Perfect. Oops, I moved all their faces. Oops.